Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fàrhan Hussain and I'll be teaching you the compulsory acts in ghusl. The first compulsory act is to rinse your mouth. You have to pour water in your mouth and make sure it passes over every part of your mouth until the back of your throat. The second compulsory act in ghusl is to rinse and clean the nose. You have to sniff water up your nose until it reaches the soft bone. The third compulsory act is to wash the whole body. You have to wash your whole body with water and make sure even one hair cannot be left dry, or one part of your hair or body. So even here, you have to wash all of it. Your joints, everything has to be washed. If you do not miss a single spot, your ghusl will be complete, which allows you to do many things. And if it isn't complete, you can't read Quran, you can't read namaz, and you can't enter the masjid. It's haram, which means forbidden. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video for Sadaqah Jariyah.